Hey friends, welcome to Miss Fox to You Real Life. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vivica and I love taking on DIY projects around my home, whether intentional or unintentional, decorating and organizing projects. I've got power tools, a vision, and determination. And I know there are others out there just like me, especially women over 40, who want to create beauty in their homes without breaking the bank. This is my first cut with the miter saw. I'm using a practice piece first. I don't know if that's lined up because I don't see no light turning on this thing. I'm cutting that in and this in. This is just an old piece of wood that was in my garage. I have no clue where it came from. But I'm tightening down my piece. I don't know if that's lined up or not. Because I don't see the, oh, you know what? I got to turn on this light over here. Precision. On it off. How you turn this on? There. Why is it blinking like that? Why is that blinking? I don't know why that's blinking. Why is this light blinking? Because ain't nobody else's blink like that. Oh, that stopped. I got two lines on here. I think it's the thicker line. I'm supposed to be cutting. All right, let's try this again. Trying to figure out why the light was blinking and then it stopped. should have brought my other camera down. All right, let me finish this cut. Yay! I did my first cut. I'm gonna throw this wood away because I don't know. This infested with termites or what's going on with that. That I'm gonna throw away. Now I gotta cut this other end. I'm just gonna flip the board so I don't have to move that. Where? Safety glasses on. I got a brand new piece of wood to use. If you're someone who loves to tackle DIY projects, decorate on a dime, or just want to be inspired to start where you are, I would love to have you join my family of subscribers. And as always, to my existing subscribers, you know that you're always welcome back. Like this video and leave a comment. Let me know what kind of content you would love to see in the future or what you are working on in your own home. Thanks for being here. This is just the beginning, and I'm excited to build something beautiful with you, one project at a time.